Roll cage, seat, harness, suit, and parachute. He's got his goggles on.
Welcome to the life of Big Saj and BMT. What are you saying, boys, girls? First of all, Eid Mubarak to everyone. Eid Mubarak.
How about the grannies and the granddads?
Eid Mubarak to them as well. I know.
He said boys and girls and everyone. But they're not boys and girls.
Okay.
No.
So we're out here today. Yeah. We have put a cage in.
Why?
We got a cage because don't worry, we're not gonna go into it. We put a seat in. We strapped the seat. Obviously, before you all fucking moan, yeah, it's only a temporary seat belts. Couldn't get the other ones in time. We got a parachute for the baby. I don't think we'll be using it unless we need to use it. And we have turned up a lot of the car. A lot of the car.
You've turned up?
Turned up, turned down, turn left, turn right. So it's either gonna It's either gonna work or it's gonna.
No, we're not gonna say that.
Go home. Squid. Fuck it out.
Squid.
I know those are finished, but come on, guy.
Shaitan. He's here.
Big Saj stickers. Big Saj stickers. Big Saj. Quick little tip to go probably 0.001 second to go faster on your time. There you go.
Oh, just one.
Just one.
And if you want to go even faster, Jam,
you do this one. And imagine you completely take them off. Look, you're skinny dipping.
Street car.
Street car.
Street car.
Street car.
Yo, what's that on your roof?
Oh yeah, we done a sunroof delete.
What the hell?
We done a sunroof delete because what has happened is when we put this cage in. By the way, this cage, yeah, you got a lot to live up to this, mate. This cage is on an 8.2.
Where's this cage from, Jam?
From the front wheel drive vehicle.
From the surfer.
So we will only put this in for now. It's the only thing we had around us. But we're doing too many stuff going on. We have to try and save money. You get me? Money don't just fall out the sky in my lap. You know what I mean? We're gonna see. Anyway, if I wanted to convert that to an 8.5 cage, it could do within. All it needs is the bar from the top down, boom, across. But I don't want to get rid of my dash yet.
Yet?
So, yet.
Not a full drag car yet?
Not full drag car yet.
Street car.
What kind of Ferrari?
Oh, Honda.
Honda?
Gapplebees.
It might be faster than a Ferrari at the minute.
Oh.
Anybody got Ferrari, want to race on Santa Bar, phone me.
So how is this a street car if you got McDonald's windows?
Yeah, that doesn't mean anything about street car or drag car. Windows don't do nothing, still got a window to open.
Go on then.
They got open from the inside, my brother.
If you ever want to know what a fast car looks like, there's that white one over there.
It's fast to the 0 to 10.
Shall we have a race, yeah?
Foot race safe.
Come.
You got one dodgy hip anyway.
No, I got a knee bum. My mom's got dodgy hip, you know. What are you taking a piece of my mom for?
Sorry.
What are you doing, man?
So what did you? Yeah, you got a dodgy leg.
Dodgy knee.
Dodgy. Same thing, doesn't it? This car only gets cleaned, yeah.
Why?
It's a bit sorry. I'm sorry. This is what you're.
What are you doing?
Show your boy, innit?
Yeah.
Oh, the key. The key. That's nice though. Mashallah, very cute. A woman's game though.
Yeah, like, come play then.
No need to play.
Yeah, put that right. Yeah.
Look, one of the people that we first killed in all-wheel drive. Watch.
He's back.
You want to race? You want to race? How are you? Okay? Beautiful. He's here. Where's that from? Undertaker, man. Oh. Keep rolling. American Badass. So we're gonna be out here now. We're gonna go in the line. Hopefully get a run in. I'm hoping off the trailer and it beats a PB. So we done 8.8. So anything under 8.8 will be amazing today.
Oh, predictions.
Predictions.
You want to start? Miru prediction.
8.5. Well, okay,
8.5.
just before we start the predictions, you know Musa in the last video said 8.8 and no one congratulated him.
Bro, he said 8.0 seconds.
Yeah, and then he changed, he goes 8.8. So you should shout out Musa. Musa, you're not here today, but 8.8. Shout out to you, Musa.
We'll have a chips, cheese and beans on Musa in his name.
That's Bawa, that is.
Oh, long live Bawa. You know.
Miru saying 8.5. Gordon said 8.6. What are you saying?
So what you doing first run in terms of launch, boost?
I'm launching.
Full launch?
I'm just gonna launch the car like hard.
Okay.
So basically we're picking up from last run.
Okay, okay.
So we're not testing nothing today. We're going straight in for the kill. The car was going a bit lean, so we don't know if he's gonna go lean on this. If it does,
I'm gonna go an 849.
849. Ooh, not
Straight
bad.
off the bat at 181 mile an hour.
Nah, I don't think he's doing 181.
Yeah.
I think you'll do 174.
Nah,
172.
165. 8. Yes, 87.
So you are conservative.
Eid mum's it.
Eid mob.
See, I know you was waiting for it on the last one. Hey, okay, boys, it's time to do a time. Saj, you stay away from tire pressures.
What do you mean, bro? How come you got your kit today? FIA approved, Jam.
I unlock his car.
Hands, device, everything.
Hand duvus.
Jam, you beat one Tesla, now the rest of the gang has come for you.
1, 2. There's a few more at the front.
They all come in for
Oh, sure, I'll do you all at once. I'll give you all head starts. All start in front of me. I'll go around you with your core noises. Look at charge heads.
That's it, he's gonna get lashed. They all make funky noises.
We're at Symphony Hall.
I'll tell you, you beat one. He's bought his family. Teslas everywhere.
That's how he sounds like when I go past him.
But that car makes, boy's got a little exhaust on the back.
Something like a Playboy.
The car makes horse noises.
Just raise the taser in front of her.
Well, I beat one last time, so we were just saying they all came back for me to beat me up today. We beat him over there.
Where's he going? There's the orange guy. EV Power, UK, big up.
Anyway, so inshallah, we're going to try and hit this record today if we can.
849, 8785.
8.5, I think he said, yeah.
86 from Gordon is in the space, Malta somewhere.
And my Maltese. Hey, Gordon.
BMW. What? Gee, money. What fault's the in the pick this time, Jamie?
You've only got half a cage.
It's a fucking door. For 160. What came off? Okay, no. Thank you. I don't know if it's. What happened there, Jeremy?
So basically, I felt nice. Second gear felt nice as well. I early shifted a bit. Anyway, up to third gear, the car switched off. So I thought, didn't sound good. And got to the bottom, gone to start again, no fuel pump come on. So basically the fuel pump fuse blew. So now, when we checked the log last time, it was going a bit lean. So Gordon was suspecting that it might be a fuel pump issue. But I rewired it all and it still blew a fuse today. So what we're going to try and do now is, we've disconnected the fuel pump, we're going to put the fuse back in, put the ignition on. If it blows the fuse, then we know that we've got a wiring issue. If it doesn't blow the fuse, and as soon as we connect the pump, then what does that mean?
You got a bad pump.
Got a bad pump. If you got a bad pump, either way, next time this car's out, we're fucking off this bloody electric pump and we're going mechanical, because I've had enough of this shit.
Mechanical to the world, Jeremy.
You get me? So let's try and
Jeremy,
see.
can you give us a tutorial how to put the fuse in?
So you take, if you got one of these, you take this off, you get these two leg, put in two leg hole, and there we go. So you need to pay attention to this. Look, that was the drama that caused last time.
It's a melty boy.
So we disconnected all of that from there, put the wires where they're supposed to be. So you pay attention to that while I go over there. Right there.
Go on. It's alright for now.
Okay, so it's okay at the minute, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, so far so good. So keep it there. I'm gonna check the pump straight away. So wiring is okay so far. So 3, 2, van, lift off.
Yeah, it's gone.
So pump straight away. Pump gone like the wind. So unfortunately, that's the day for us today, because there's no point trying to carry on messing around with a dead pump.
Yeah.
The only thing I can think of is, yeah, you know where the 2 wires come off the pump, unless they're touching.
Try. It's worth a try. Take the pump out and have a look. Have a look at all the wires.
Get out the jack now. Get out the jack. We're gonna just check if, you know where the fuel pump, the 2 wires come off, unless they're touching.
Well, that shit's all fucking melted in there, lad, eh?
Don't take the piss out my car, you know, I'll fight ya.
What, you got exposed wire? Chow!
Hey, come here, middle.
Chow, that's fucked!
Don't look very happy, lad.
Oh, I'm happy. You know why? Because the engine didn't blow.
Alhamdulillah.
So that's a good sign. The other shit sign is we didn't know if it's still pushing water. Eid Mubarak. So next one, we're gonna go mechanical fuel pump.
No. We're gonna go chips, beans and cheese. You're gonna go mechanical fuel pump. And then... Okay, cool.
Order.
Alright. See you on the next one, Jerry.
Yes, sir. Mubarak.